Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Spiderman Web of Shadows. So first of all, you go to these links. This is the first part, uh, and this is the second part. Okay, you also see this in the description. So when you download these parts, you see and these raw files. This is also ISO files. So yeah. It is only 1.07 GBs. So you have to extract them here, and when you extract them there, let's see. So when it's loaded, so after completing the extracting, you get these files. One, this, or this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, so you have to open this folder. Sorry, image, and it will be auto run. So I can change into English. So this is the setup of Spiderman Web of Shadows. So next create shortcut. So I already have installed this game, so I can cancel it. So this is the way how to download Spiderman Web of Shadows and how to extract, how to set up it.